The ARYA Mini weighs 3.3 pounds. It is 3.4 inches wide, 6.2 inches in depth, and 6.7 inches in height. It has a pulse setting of 1 to 4. There are 3 different battery options. A single battery will give you up to 2.5 hours. A double battery will give you up to 4.8 hours. And a triple battery will give you up to 7.2 hours. Hi, this is Alexia with LPT Medical, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ARYA Mini. So when you first open up your box, you will see your cannula as well as a manual. Next, you will have your DC power supply. This is the charger that will plug into the cigarette lighter of your car. Next, you will have the carry case, and inside the carry case, you will see your AC power supply as well as some additional accessories. You'll also receive your single battery, which comes standard with the package. And last, you will receive the unit itself. Now that we have everything unboxed, I'm going to show you how to set up the ARYA Mini. First, you're going to install your battery, which slides directly on the bottom of the unit. Clicks in. Next, we're going to place the unit inside the carry case. When you have the single battery in the unit, you will also want to include this buffer at the bottom to make sure the unit comes all the way up to the top. You would take the buffer out if you were using a double or a triple battery. You will also have a shoulder strap which attaches directly on the unit. You also have a handle strap that you can put and carry with your hand. This will also work well on your accessory bag. You can carry this. This is great for holding extra batteries or your chargers. You'll also receive a replacement filter, as well as the AC and DC power supply. The AC and DC power supply plugs in directly to the back of the unit. And this is for your cannula. To turn on the ARYA Mini, simply press the power button. Once the unit is powered on, you will see the setting it is at. You can easily adjust by pressing this button to go up and press it back to go down. It has a mute button to mute any alarms. It shows your battery percentage for you to know what percentage your battery is at. You'll also have these indicators, so if any issues arises with your unit, it will notify you. And to power down your unit, simply press and hold the power button. And that is how you unbox and set up the ARYA Mini. If you have any questions, visit our website at www.lptmedical.com or give us a call at 1-800-946-1201 and speak with one of our oxygen specialists today.